Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. And today I'm going to show you how to draw Mickey Mouse. So this was actually a request. Some awesome subscriber, joined us on our live stream yesterday, and they said they're going to Disneyland soon. And they said, "Hey, can you draw Mickey Mouse?" So this drawing is dedicated to you. All right, so I'm gonna start drawing Mickey with, actually, you know what? I'm gonna draw him in pencil first, and then I can go over my pencil markings with a black Sharpie, and then I can erase my pencil lines, and then I can go in with color. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna start drawing Mickey Mouse by doing a circle. Okay, and up on top of the circle, we're going to do another circle. And then a little ways down, about right here, we'll do another one. I'm trying to make it the same size as the other one, as that one. All right, so now, about right here, let's give him his nose. So it's going to come on out. And it's going to come on in. And it becomes a smile. And we can do a little curved line like this for our smile. And here on our nose, we can do a little oval. And sitting just on top of this little nose part right here, he's got two ovals for eyes. So 1 and 2. Now he's got his mouth open. So we're going to slope on down like that. And we can do two little hills for a tongue. And the bottom of his mouth extends past the shape of his face. So it only extends by a little teeny tiny bit. And now we can come on up and curve. Right here we got a little point. And we can come on up and curve on down right here. And we got another little point there between those eyes. Okay, so now we got Mickey's face done. Now let's work on Mickey's body. So about right here by the mouth, let's come on down. Well, this is going to be like a hill, really. And we can curve like this. And we can see where his mouth starts to come down past the circle mark. So around there, we're going to come down about right here and do a little slant. Okay. Now we're going to do his shorts. So they're a little bit thick. That. And over here, they're a bit thick, and they curve in. And right here. And now he's got two ovals on the shorts. They're two great big buttons. And of course he needs the little holes for his legs. Come on down. So now we've got two little legs, well, two little shorts holes for legs. And of course he needs his arm. It's going to be in behind his shorts here. He's got it behind his back. And you can't see his other arm. And let's do legs now. So this one is going to be coming on slanted. And of course he's got great big shoes. Great big shoes. So we did a big curve like this, and then we're coming back and curving again. And now we're going to do the bottom part. So we're just lining where the bottom of the sole would be. And then do a little line here in the middle. Like that. And the other leg, we're going to come down like this. And we're going to do a curve like that, almost like his foot is in a donut. And then the great big shoe. And of course he has a tail, so poking out here is going to come along here, past the foot, and curve on a little bit here. And we got Mickey Mouse. So I'm going to line everything with a black marker and then erase any of my pencil markings you can see, and then I'm going to color it. All right, folks, so we are finished drawing Mickey Mouse. Thank you so much for drawing with me. I hope you have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.